Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best white noise machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Adaptive Sound Technologies LectroFan High Fidelity White Noise Machine. The LectroFan Classic is in several wired staffers' homes, divided among children and adults. At 4 inches across and 2 inches tall, it's small enough to fit on the most crowded nightstand. You can often find it for cheaper than its $50 price. There are no bird sounds or fireplaces. We have many options for that, but you can choose between fans or a spectrum of colored noise. This includes white noise, brown noise, and pink noise, plus others like coral and chestnut noise. It has a 60-minute timer and cranks up to a whopping 85 decibels, or stays low enough to barely hear it at all. Moving on at number 4, we have the SNOOZ Smart White Noise Machine. The SNOOZ White Noise Machine focuses on one thing and one thing only: white noise. Its sound is generated by a real fan as opposed to just fan sounds. There's no pushing extra buttons or fidgeting around when you'd rather be falling asleep. Its design is simple, and there's no overthinking this device. It's got ease of use down pat. Simply plug it in, press the power button, then twist the mesh sleeve to either increase or decrease the volume level. It's also meant to be placed away from the bed in a more central position in the bedroom as opposed to on a nightstand. This is so that sound is projected more evenly. At number 3, we have the Hatch Restore 3 Sunrise Alarm Clock Sound Machine. We're always scoping out possible new products to add to our best sunrise alarms guide. And best believe the Hatch 3 made the cut. It expands upon the previous Hatch models, which we also tested and really enjoyed, with added 2 more buttons for a total of 4. This may not seem like a big deal, but when you're sleepy and want to make quick changes instead of relying on the app, this comes in clutch. Wired reviewer Nena Farrell found that the light wasn't as bright as previous iterations and didn't really uphold the sunlight function of the sound machine. Nevertheless, it still has an extensive sound collection to pick from if you sign up for the subscription. At number 2, we have the Hatch Baby Sound Machine. The second generation Hatch Rest combines a sound machine and nightlight with 2 added features for children: time to rest and time to rise lights. These are called beacons, and they're helpful reminders for adults too. This version also includes a dimmable clock, and it's controllable via Wi-Fi instead of Bluetooth. In the app, you can customize colors, adjust the volume, and pick from the sound library. Tapping the top of the Hatch Rest cycles through sounds and turns it on and off. There's a child lock function to prevent kids from messing with the settings, and it still gives them control of the night light button on the back of the machine. Like with the Restore 2, you get more options if you choose to subscribe. We've also tested and liked the Rest Plus for $90, which adds Amazon Alexa support and includes an audio monitor. We don't recommend the Rest Mini for $40 though, as one tester said it stopped turning on after several months. And finally, at number 1, we have the Babelio White Noise Sound Machine. The Babelio Mini Sound Machine was indeed made for babies, but we're going to redirect your attention to fur babies. As it would turn out, white noise isn't just good for humans, but dogs as well. If you too have anxious Velcro dogs, having a white noise machine to use when you leave the house or need to create ambient noise can be incredibly helpful. This machine has 30, 60, and 90-minute timers. The noises are non-looping, but have a variety of nature sounds: white noise, pink noise, and brown noise. I find that it sounds a bit grainy the higher in volume you go, but it gets the job done for my dogs and my sanity. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.